Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This video will be a guide on the best Shopify apps for dropshipping. Having the right apps can take you from struggling to make sales to absolutely booming. If you want your e-commerce business to start consistently hitting big numbers year after year, then you must absolutely give these apps a shot. Let's jump right in and go over each app, what it does, and how to set it up so you can start leveraging these powerful tools right away. First up, we have the custom currency converter. In my experience, currency converter apps are incredibly useful, yet they're overlooked. If you're targeting international customers from places like the United States, UK, Australia, or Canada, they all have different currencies. However, if your store only shows USD prices, many foreign shoppers will leave. You don't want the customers to have to put in the extra effort to figure out the pricing. Even physical stores now show pricing in multiple currencies. This allows even foreign people who shop in physical stores to understand and make their shopping much easier. So by displaying converted home currencies, you make the buying process seamless. Customers appreciate that and are more likely to purchase. This one right here is one of the best currency converter apps. The setup is super easy. You simply download from the Shopify App Store and then enable the in-store settings. You can even select which currencies to convert to based on your target countries. And that's really it. Now when foreign visitors arrive, prices will automatically display in their currency. Removing that friction results in higher conversion rates. Next up, you need an app allowing customers to buy more products per order. This one increases average order value. You never want to limit customers to only buying one product. So the average order value is how much each customer spends on average. If, for example, your product is about $30, you don't want your average order value stuck at $30. The goal is to get customers spending as much as possible in one purchase. And the way to do that is with volume discounts. A volume discount app like this one incentivizes buying more products for a better deal. And it's going to look something like this. For example, buy one product for $25. Buying two products is going to result in a $40 purchase. And if you get three products, then instead of paying $75, the customers are only now going to pay $60. Customers love a good bargain. Many will happily buy more products for an added discount. And this extra spending requires no additional work for you. The volume discount app setup takes only seconds. You only have to download and then click the manage button. Once you create a new offer and name it after the product, you must select quantity options and discounts and then choose the products that this applies to and then turn on automatic discount table. And that's really it. You'll be all set. The app handles the rest, boosting your average cart value. Now let's talk about product reviews. They are crucial for convincing visitors to buy once they arrive at your store. You should absolutely never run a store without reviews. They provide social proof and then build trust. You see this person reviewing product style content everywhere now. You really see it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, all of that stuff, and it causes a quick boost in sales whenever relatable customers claim that they love the product. That's exactly the effect that you want by adding authentic reviews to your own products. When writing reviews, think about your ideal buyer and what problems they face that your product solves. And then you can focus on those benefits. A tip I can give you is that you could look up at 1-star reviews on Amazon to understand the pain points of that product. And then if you enhance your own product to solve those issues, you can highlight it in the reviews. One of the favorite review apps is Judge Me. The setup takes just a couple of clicks to import reviews. But I always recommend going beyond generic one-liners. You can always write a detailed paragraph reviewing your product in use, where you can show the product being used, explain benefits in a full paragraph, and then make them ultra convincing. Reviews build trust and nudge customers to buy. Put in the effort to make them truly great. Now let's make sure that you don't miss sales from people who don't purchase initially. Many people will visit your store but not complete checkout. You need to win them back somehow with targeted marketing. This is where retargeting apps like Klaviyo come in. They help promote deals to past visitors and customers. Klaviyo uses their information to bring them back to your store via email and SMS. It's much cheaper to sell to existing contacts versus new customers. And the key for getting them back and making them purchase this time is offering an irresistible deal. Create a compelling coupon or discount and they'll likely return to buy. Here is how Klaviyo is set up and works. You create email and SMS campaigns and then target the engaged past visitors. After that, you offer them an exclusive limited time discount, and that way you drive them back to complete their purchase. Retargeting is hugely effective. Your sales will skyrocket using this automated follow-up system to win back customers. Stop leaving money on the table and start using this application right now. Next up, we need to satisfy customers and avoid issues by letting them track the orders. Not providing order updates can lead to buyer's remorse. Customers will bombard you asking questions, where their purchases, when does it arrive, and all that stuff. And a tracking app simply eliminates this problem. The most popular one is Aftership. This one lets you monitor order status and share that with the customers in real time. They can self-serve order tracking. Under the tracking page editor, you can remove carrier branding if you prefer. This helps avoid revealing suppliers. To display the tracking on your site, go to navigation, menu, and then add the track order link. Now customers simply enter their order number and email to follow their shipment status. This convenience reduces customer service requests and creates positive experiences. I believe that tracking apps are essential these days. Next up, to maximize sales, you also need to be split testing elements of your store. This reveals what converts best. For example, test different product pricing, page headlines, images, discount, etc. You can check one of the top split testing apps right here. It makes the A to B testing easy with this visual editor. You can target tests to certain audiences, schedule them, and the app manages everything. The split testing app also integrates directly with platforms like Google Analytics so that you can pull in data easily. The key with split testing is learning over time what resonates most with your customers, and then you double down on what works. Small tweaks can result in huge sales gains. Never get complacent with your site. Keep testing and optimizing. And now let's talk about the customer support apps. Providing amazing customer support is crucial as well. This builds loyalty so customers come back again and again. Apps like this one makes it easy to have real-time conversations with visitors to answer questions and remove the obstacles. With customer support app, you can see who's on your site, initiate chats, set up automatic greetings, share files, and gather feedback. Considering 70% of buyers say customer service impacts their purchasing decision, tools like these are enormously valuable. Finally, let's take a look at abandoned cart recovery. People adding items but not completing checkout is incredibly common. On average, nearly 70% of online carts are abandoned. That is a ton of missed revenue you need to recapture. You can use an app like this one which can identify abandoned carts in real time, and then it sends automated reminders via email or SMS. You could even offer discounts to complete their order and recover up to 25% more revenue. The key is catching cart abandoners quickly and pulling them back with an irresistible offer before they buy elsewhere. Abandoned cart apps leverage push notifications, social proof tactics, scarcity, and more to effectively rescue the sales. You will notice that those extra sales add up really fast and make up to a huge amount of revenue. And there you have it. This was an in-depth kind of look at the must-have apps that you should use in your e-commerce business. If you want to maximize sales, achieve customer satisfaction, and overall Shopify success, then you must absolutely give some of these apps, if not all, a shot. Also, if you're only just starting your Shopify journey, then I highly suggest that you sign up with the link in our description down below. It will grant you a temporary offer where you can open your Shopify store for only $1 per month for 3 consecutive months. So be absolutely sure to grab that offer before it's too late. Let us know in the comments which apps you found most useful to your Shopify store. And if you found this video to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make in the future.